Let's do a deep dive of the Chinese character 了 or 了. It looks incredibly simple, right? It looks just like a hook, but not so fast. First of all, this Chinese character has two pronunciations. It can be pronounced as 了 or it can be pronounced as 了. For each of these two pronunciations, it has multiple meanings. After watching this video, I hope you have a very good understanding of how it is usually used, in what circumstances it's used, and the meanings of this very simple Chinese character. Let's get started. First of all, it has two pronunciations, 了 or 了. Now let's do a deep dive into this first pronunciation, 了. 了 can be used to describe something is done or something is completed. For example, 他昨天买了一本书. He bought a book yesterday. Here, 了 is used to describe that he has already bought the book. The action of buying is already done, is already finished. Can we leave out the character here in the sentence and just say 他昨天买一本书? No, you cannot. That's not how it's done. So in order to describe that he already bought a book, we have to use 了 买了. Let's take a look at the second example. 我明天吃了饭就来找你. I will come see you tomorrow once I've finished my meal. So 了 here is used to emphasize that I have already finished the meal. Here the character 了 is used to describe that you have already finished the meal. The action of eating is done. And we can never say 我明天吃饭就来找你. That's not how it's done. That concludes the first meaning of 了. It's used to describe something is done. Let's move on to the second meaning. 了 can also be used to highlight the change of status. For instance, 下雨了. It's raining now. 了 in this sentence is used to highlight the status change of it wasn't raining earlier, but it is raining now. Let's take a look at the second example. 我不喜欢他了. I don't like him anymore. Here, 了 is also used to describe the status change. I liked him before, but I don't like him now. So the status has changed. If we delete 了 here and if we just say 我不喜欢他, it just means I don't like him. It doesn't highlight the change of my feeling from I like him to now I don't like him. So to sum up here, 了 is used to describe the status change. Let's move on to the third meaning. The third meaning can be treated as an exclamation point. For instance, we say 太好了 or 太棒了. It's great. It's fantastic. So really, 了 here doesn't mean much. It's just used to emphasize how excited I am. So that's the three meanings of the character 了. Now let's talk about the second pronunciation, 了. I will give you three examples to show you what it means in three different situations. First word, 了解. Second, 了结. Please know that 了解 and 了结, they sound very similar, right? But they mean totally different things. And also, 结 and 结 are two completely different Chinese characters. The third example I want to give you is 了断. Let's go through them one by one. The first one, 了解, is very straightforward. It just means understand, understood. For example, 好的，了解了. Okay, I understand. Quite straightforward. How about the second one? 了结, second tone. 了结 means settle a dispute or solve a problem. 我终于了结了那个纠纷. I finally settled that dispute. 了断 means get closure for something or sever ties. It's usually focused more on the emotional side of things. For example, 她终于下定决心要跟他做一个了断了. She finally made the decision to sever ties with him. Usually when we use 了断, we mean end the relationship with something or put an end to something. It's more focused on emotions rather than focused on completing a task. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you would like to download the slides I presented in this video, click the link down below. If you enjoyed this video, you might want to watch the next one here.